Building Flogo applications can traditionally take days of manual configuration and mapping. But with AI, and especially coding agents, this massive time investment can be reduced to just minutes. Today, we'll show you how. Welcome to this demonstration of the Flogo Design Assistant, powered by AI Skills. In this video, we will build a complete AI-driven integration application and deploy it seamlessly to the TIBCO platform. To achieve this, we rely on skills, essentially small Markdown files that provide precise instructions to our AI, which in this case is coding agents, teaching it exactly how to execute highly specific tasks. These coding agent skills are available in the TIBCO Developer Hub Marketplace. In the Flogo Skills Library, we provide 6 specialized skills. Some instruct the AI on how to use the Flogo Design Assistant or the Flogo Build CLI. Others explain how to deploy and scale applications using the TIBCO Platform CLI, or provide step-by-step recipes like Flogo Deploy. For this demonstration, we will focus heavily on the mapping from Excel skill. We will take a simple Excel sheet, convert it into a Flogo flow, test it, and deploy it to the cloud. Let's dive into the demonstration. Here, we have an empty workspace containing an Excel file with our mapping data, alongside coding agents. We simply ask Claude to build an app based on an Excel mapping. It instantly loads the required skill, creating the schemas and Flogo flow. The AI immediately identifies the required instructions and loads the mapping from Excel skill. If we preview this skill file, we can see it provides coding agents with a comprehensive set of instructions for reading the Excel file, building the Flogo application, and executing tests. The AI processes the instructions and automatically generates the Flogo application. Looking at the results, the flow is completely built. The source and target schemas have been created automatically. Let's examine the flow itself. In the source, we see our input fields: first name, last name, telephone number, and email. Next, we can see the automated mapping in action. A string concatenation combines the first and last names. Telephone maps to phone number, and email maps to email address. Now, the AI automatically tests the application to ensure it works. It builds the Flogo executable, places it in the bin folder, and runs it. Looking at the terminal logs, we can confirm the mapping executed successfully right in the application's output. Next, we move to deployment. We ask the AI our second question to deploy the Flogo application. Currently, our TIBCO platform environment is completely empty. There are no applications running. The AI uses the TIBCO Platform CLI skill to deploy our new application. It automatically determines the latest Flogo version, creates a build, and generates the necessary values file for our deployment configuration. It then initiates the release. Returning to the TIBCO platform, we can see the new application has successfully appeared. The AI then automatically scales the application up for us. Once the AI finishes its tasks, we monitor the application startup. As soon as the application comes online, we can check the live logs. Here, we see the exact same log message from our local test, confirming that the mapping defined in our original Excel sheet is running perfectly on the live platform. To recap, we used coding agents alongside the Flogo Design Assistant and our provided Markdown skills to fully automate application creation. In just a few minutes, we took an Excel sheet, generated a complete integration application, tested it, and deployed it to the platform. Skills allow AI to complete its work much more precisely. While you can leverage our existing library, you can also create your own custom skills to implement your unique business scenarios. Using skills will save you significant development time and drastically reduce the AI tokens required to create your flows. Ready to accelerate your integrations? Get the Flogo Skills Library today from the Flogo Enterprise Hub and the TIBCO Developer Hub.